Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reprogram Mitsubishi Outlander key fob step by step. Start with 2 working keys and the vehicle battery charged, sit in the driver's seat, close all doors, and turn the ignition to ACC, then OFF 3 times, ending in ACC to enter programming mode. Press any key on the first remote within 5 seconds, press a button on the second remote to register it, then test locks and restart car to confirm. Next, locate the programming sequence and perform key steps carefully, starting with ignition cycling and button presses in precise order for the vehicle to accept new remotes. Keep remotes within 2 feet, wait for confirmation locks, and repeat the process for each additional remote until all are programmed. If programming fails, cycle power, check battery voltage, and start again or consult a locksmith for advanced diagnostics. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more how-to guides. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort you'll appreciate during garage work. Check the description for the link and other deals. Your support funds more clear, practical automotive tutorials and lets me test gear so I can recommend trustworthy products. Now let's get back to the video. Common issues include dead batteries, incorrect timing, and distant remotes, each causing failed programming attempts. Replace batteries with fresh ones and ensure you follow timing windows exactly, using a helper if needed to press buttons while you operate ignition. Write down steps to help technicians troubleshoot faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.